So we are back with revision session, and it is part 4 of chapter 5, arithmetic progression. Alright? In the previous session, we solved objective questions till 37. So we continue. Now it's 38. Please pay attention. Now I should keep saying, this is for standard paper. Okay? Both the this is okay. Basic paper में आ सकता है, लेकिन this is for standard paper. Alright. Try to understand. Distance between two consecutive rungs. Rung means step. This is a ladder here. ये जो steps है जहाँ हम पैर रखते हैं, that is rungs. Alright? So the distance between two consecutive rungs of a ladder is 10 centimeters. So this distance is 10, 10, 10, 10. Distance between any two successive steps या rungs of a ladder is 10 centimeters. Okay. Distance between the uppermost and the lowermost rung or step is 1 meter. The uppermost is this, and the uppermost, and the lowermost is this, and the distance between them, this distance is 1 meter. ऊपर सेंटीमीटर में दिया है, so you can convert that 100 centimeters. So distance between the uppermost and the lowermost rung is 100 centimeters. Now just watch out, children. ये जो रंग है ना, ये एक रंग है, दूसरा है और तीसरा है. What is this distance? 10 centimeters. ये distance 10 centimeters. So what is the distance between the top and the lower rung? When I talk about only this three, 20 centimeters. All right. So the total distance is 20. Divide by distance between the two successive is 10. So if I divide, what I get? 2. But plus 1 कर दो. 2 plus 1, 3 rungs are. Just observe करो जरा. 4 rungs. तो ये भी 10 centimeter. What is the total distance? 30. 10 add होगा 30. Divide by distance between consecutive rungs. 10. और जो आंसर आएगा उसमें add 1. So 3 plus 1, you can see 4 rungs. What is the total distance? 100. Yes, divide by distance between consecutive rungs 10. और उसमें एक ऐड कर देना. Don't forget. So how many rungs are there? 11. How many rungs are there? 11. All right. आपको ढूंढना क्या है? या अभी ये बताया. If the length of uppermost step is 40 centimeter, ये जो लंबाई है ये 40 centimeter है, and the lowermost step ये this is 60 centimeter. अब जैसे नीचे से ऊपर जाएंगे, the length of the rung will decrease. या ऊपर से नीचे आएंगे तो length of the rung will increase. Are you getting me? अच्छा. तो fine. Okay, if the length of the uppermost step is 40 centimeter and that of lowermost step is 60 centimeter, find the total length of wood used in the step. Please, यहाँ AP है आपके पास. What is the first term? 40. Length of the first rung. We don't know what is the length of the second rung. But the last one. So this is A and this is A11. Because the rungs we know. There are how many rungs? 11. इसके लिए concept समझना होगा आपको. Are you getting me? अब तो काम बन गया. इसका टोटल करना है. Total length of wood used. पहला रंग में 40 सेंटीमीटर जाएगा, लास्ट में 60 और बाकी के 9 में कितना जाएगा तो हमको पता है. S11 is equal to दूसरी वाली फॉर्मूला 11/2 into first rung plus last rung. इसको लास्ट भी कह सकते हैं. नंबर ऑफ रंग्स वी नो, नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स वी नो. या 11/2 into 40 plus 60. That is 11/2 into 100. 2 ones are 50. So 550 centimeter. या तो आप कह सकते हैं 5.5 meter. So what is the answer here? Find the total length of the wood used. 5.5 meter. The total length of food use is 5.5
meter.
I hope you all understand. Sure? Good. चलिए next one. Next one is easy. वो basic paper के लिए है. Okay? A kid, आप भी कर सकते हैं ये काम जो kid कर रहा है. Saves ₹1 on 1st April, ₹3 on 2nd April, ₹5 on 3rd April, and so on. So you got your AP children. 1, 3, 5. Alright? What is the total amount saved at the end of the month? Which month?
April.
How many days it has?
30.
So here A30 आएगा. क्या है पता नहीं, हम ढूंढ सकते हैं. And this is A1, A2, A3. So what is A1? What is D2? And what is A30? Okay, we don't know. But we have to find what? Sum. This plus this plus this plus this जो भी होगा. And the sum of 30 terms. Sum of
30
that is 30 by 2 into 2a plus 29d. 30, so 29, 30 minus 1. A and D are available. Put the value. ये तो cancel हो जाएगा. So that is 50. 2 into 8, that is 2 into 1, plus 29 into D, that is 29 into 2. So that is 15 into 2 plus 58. So that is 15 into 60. 15, 6 are 90 and 0, 900 rupees. 900 rupees हो जाएगा. Is that clear? Okay. So here, what is the total amount collected? Yeah, saved. Is 900. Is that clear? Okay. Fine. So children, here we are. We'll keep this session short. In fact, almost all types of questions are solved. Okay. That's why. So we continue answering very short. Number 40. Similar to what we solved in 39. Again, question कुछ अलग है. What you have to find is different. One person has ₹200 and the total amount with the person is 210. He wants to distribute money to the poor. If he gives ₹1 on the first day, ₹2 on
Second day.
₹3 on
Third day.
कंजूस है ना, ₹1 दे रहा है, but then बढ़ा रहा है, वो अच्छी बात है. On the third day and so on. Then how many days he required to finish? First day, second day, third day, and on kth day, जो भी होगा, we don't know. बराबर? एक. But the sum of all this is equal to 210. So I can write SK is equal to 210. Formula K by 2 into बोलो 2a plus A minus 1 into D is equal to 210. ये सम वाले सम अवॉइड कर सकते हो ऑप्शन हो तो. क्यों? क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन आएगा. चलिए. What is A? 1 और D भी 1. इतनी तो अच्छी बात है. K by 2 into 2 into 1. ये D भी 1. So plus K minus 1 ही लिख दिया मैंने. Alright. That is equal to 210. So that is K by 2 into 2 minus 1 plus 1. या K रहेगा और 2 minus 1 is 1. That is equal to 210. उधर चला गया. ये K square plus K, that is 420. So K square plus K minus 420 equal to 0. दो values of K. क्या करेंगे? 420 के factors. 2 2s are 1s are 0s are 2 1s are 0s are 5s are 3 3s are 5s are 5 7 सा 7 1 सा डिफरेंस 1 का आधा आधा कुछ करो, ये रहा 15 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 14 है ना, 15 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 14. सो या k प्लस 15 और k माइनस 14
नहीं 17 का 14
ओ 28 मैंने 14 कर दिया. ओ करेक्ट करेक्ट, दिस इज 28. भाई ये 15 होगा और 7 4 28. ऑलराइट, नहीं होगा तो क्या करे, कुछ और ऑप्शन देखना पड़ेगा. डिफरेंस 1 है ना. चलिए, सो दिस विल बी 12 एंड दिस विल बी 35. डिफरेंस वोंट बी 1. ये 7 3 are 21. Yes, ये ले सकते हैं. 7 3 are 21. 2 2 are 4 4 5 are 20. और प्लस बड़ा है, सो k प्लस 21 आएगा और k माइनस 20 आएगा. सो k is equal to, because k cannot be negative number of days. Alright, so यहाँ k greater than 0. So how many days he will finish that amount?
20 days.
In 20 days time. Is that clear?